Hello everyone, welcome to this amazing HostStreamer coupon code video. In this video, I will reveal two of the finest coupon codes through which you can get amazing discount when you buy your hosting from HostStreamer, plus a special discount link which you can find in the description of this video because everything starts from that, and a step-by-step tutorial on how you can claim this amazing discount. So let's get started on this amazing HostStreamer coupon code discount. So what you have to do is just simply click on the link in the description. Once you click on exclusive discount link, you will be landed to a page like this where you can see an amazing deal running right now by HostStreamer. If you scroll below, you may see that HostStreamer is being recommended by WordPress.org, Trustpilot, Google, Host Advice, WBeginner. All of them say that HostStreamer is an amazing company. And the best thing is that the Trustpilot reviews, you can practically you see yourself and check around how is HostStreamer working around, and they got 46,000 reviews with 4.7 ratings, which is very good. And these are the recent reviews. All of them are 5-star. I'm not saying that all of them are 5-star. There may be 4-star, 3-star, 2-star, and eventually all of them. But the best thing with HostStreamer is that you are getting 30 days money back guarantee, which is just amazing with any hosting company. Now if I scroll below, these are their 3 most popular plan. You can already see a running discount deal because you have clicked on the special discounting, but with this coupon code you are going to get further discount on already running discount deals. And before I come on this, I want to tell you more regarding HostStreamer. And with HostStreamer, they also have HostStreamer Horizons, where you turn your idea into reality by just giving the prompt. You just have to give the command and it's automatically going to create your web app, website, whatever you're going to say to it. And HostStreamer also offer you free website migration. So if you're coming from another hosting company to HostStreamer with this coupon code deal, you are going to get shifted all of your website, and that too free of cost. Make sure to click on the link in the description to get this amazing free website migration service. And apart from website migration service, the reviews are very good. Even I'm using it from the last 3 to 4 years, and my experience so far is very good for my own blog which I'm using it. And with HostStreamer, this is the control panel, also known as hPanel. Super easy, super friendly. Even a beginner or a newbie can use it. So you do not need any practical training to manage your hosting from HostStreamer. And HostStreamer also has speed, reliability, and efficiency. They have faster servers, 24/7 support, and local data centers all around in the world. And lastly, if I come to security features are just mind-blowing. You're getting so many security features when you buy your hosting from HostStreamer. So this is going to be a very good combo. And at this moment, 3 million plus people are using HostStreamer as their primary hosting company. And now to get this coupon code discount, simply scroll above and choose any plan. Now, before you select any plan, I recommend you guys to simply select the see all features and do a thorough comparison before you're going to select any plan. Now you can get as much as up to 91% discount, and I'm going to tell you how. Simply select the choose plan. With any plan you are going to get the discount. So once you select the choose plan, you will be redirected to another page, and on that page you may see that this is going to be a special limited time deal running right now for my audience. So make sure to click on the link in the description. Wait while it gets loaded. So this is a special time limited time deal, and you're getting 2 months extra free. So do the math yourself. You're getting free domain, so do a math yourself, and still it's not going to end over here, because with the coupon code you're going to get further discount. So you can find this coupon code in the description of this video along with the discount link, and if you apply it, you are gonna get further discount on already running discount deal. So extra 10% with this, you're getting 75% plus 10%, and you're getting 2 months extra free. You're getting free setup, you're getting free domain, you're getting free domain privacy protection. So do a math and you're going to get up to as much as up to 91%. Now there is another coupon code as well which you can use. So you can use either of the coupon code. It's completely your preference on which coupon code you're going to get to use at HostStreamer to get this amazing discount code. So once you apply the coupon code, simply move on to continue, and the 30 days money back guarantee is over here. So now they may ask you to log in, and I'm gonna log in it. So I am now logged into the account, and this is the last part. You may see your order summary over here, and you just have to write your billing details. And once you write your billing details, move on to the payment method. And with HostStreamer, you are getting variety of payment methods. You can pay with a credit card, PayPal, Google Pay, Alipay, Apple Pay, even with crypto you can pay with the CoinGate as well. So you have so many options to pay. So it takes as within 20 minutes, you're gonna get an email after paying with all of your hosting details. So yeah, buying hosting from HostGrid is very easy. Make sure to click on the link in the description and use either of the coupon code to get this amazing discount with HostGrid. So good luck with your hosting from HostGrid. Good luck.